This is one of my absolute favorite tricks. I'm going to show you how you can connect Google Translate to Wordwall, and it's going to save you ages. When you look up a phrase or sentence in Google Translate and then translate it into the language that you want to learn, you can actually save all these phrases by simply clicking on this button here, and it adds the words to your word book. Now, where is your word book? Well, it's here. And if you click here, you can see I've got all of the phrases that I'm currently studying in Polish. Now we can move this list into Wordwall and turn it into a game with 3 button clicks. First click here. This will bring the list of words, and click here again, into Google Sheets. The next thing you need to do is open the 2 columns where you can see the words in the 2 languages, normally the language that you want to learn and a translation into the language that you understand. Now, I'm going to copy the first part of this list, say to here. I'm just copying the words. I press Control, copy. I'm going to go over now to Wordwall. In Wordwall, I'm going to click on Create Activity. And then I'm going to click on Matchup. Now, I'm going to click here and paste all of those words in by just pressing Control V, or I can right click and press Paste. And there we are. We have a new game with all of the phrases to translate from Polish into English. You can even add the audio by just clicking here and adding the audio. Use obviously the right language that you want to work with. I can add the audio and then I can play the game with the audio as well.
Spóźniłem się do szkoły.
When the game is ready and you've added the audio, just click on Done and you can start to play the game. In this game, obviously, is to translate the phrases. If you want your students to play, click on Share, click on Set Assignment, normally ask for their name, click on Start, and if you want the students to do the Wordwall, you can copy the link and share it in Zoom or whatever system you're using, or if you're using it in the class, use the QR code and the students can play the game. If you want more free videos on how to use technology in language teaching, please come over to teachertrainingvideos.com. There's loads of content, including a special section of AI videos. If you really want to follow my work, sign up to the newsletter. If you sign up to the newsletter, at the moment there is a free 14-part video course in how to use technology in language teaching, where I focus on most of the best free tools that are available. There are no tricks and you get sent 1 video every 3 or 4 days.